Welcome back to my channel. What if a single kitchen seed could wake up dormant hair follicles and make your hair look fuller and shinier, naturally? Today we're creating a powerful fenugreek and rosemary hair toner that blends ancient wisdom with modern science. Why this works? Fenugreek seeds are loaded with proteins, iron, and plant compounds called saponins that strengthen hair shafts, calm dandruff, and may help slow shedding. Rosemary Essential Oil has been shown in studies to improve scalp circulation and support hair density by gently blocking DHT, the hormone linked to hair thinning. When combined as a water-based toner, these ingredients penetrate the scalp without the heaviness of oil. Ingredients and prep. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons fenugreek seeds, 1 cup filtered water, 6 to 7 drops pure rosemary essential oil. Always use filtered or mineral water so minerals don't interfere with absorption. Overnight soak. Rinse seeds once to remove surface dust. Soak overnight, about 8 to 10 hours. This activates natural enzymes and softens the hard seed coat, releasing proteins and lecithin into the water. Gentle boil. Next morning, pour the soaked seeds with the same water into a saucepan. Simmer on low flame for 5 to 7 minutes until the water turns golden brown. Avoid high heat. Low simmer keeps nutrients intact while drawing out the active compounds. Strain and cool. Turn off the flame and let it rest for a few minutes. Strain out the seeds. Cool completely. Adding oil to hot liquid can break down its aromatic compounds. Add rosemary essential oil. Once the fenugreek tea is at room temperature, add 6 to 7 drops of rosemary essential oil. Swirl gently to mix. Store in a sterilized spray bottle. Application and routine. Part your hair and spray generously on scalp and along the lengths. Massage for 2 to 3 minutes to boost circulation. Leave for at least 1 hour, or overnight if comfortable. Rinse with cool water or a mild shampoo. Use 3 times a week for best results. Pro tips and FAQs. Storage. Keep in the fridge, use within 5 days. Allergy check. Patch test rosemary oil behind the ear first. For oily hair, rinse lightly. For dry hair, follow with a few drops of argan or jojoba oil on the ends. This single spray combines centuries-old Ayurvedic tradition with evidence-based botanicals. In just a few weeks, you'll notice stronger roots, a healthier scalp, and that natural shine you've been missing. Try it, and let your hair tell the story. Thank you for watching.